Yeah, hello guys, welcome to Overflowing Wealth. This is the channel where we teach you how to make money online and make it easy, especially with your mobile phones. Now, I'm going to tell you in this video how you'll be able to get jobs in Dubai, how you can apply for jobs, either you are still in your country or you are already in Dubai. I will teach you, I'll put you through how to make your way to these companies and apply for jobs and get them. Kindly subscribe to this channel and click the notification button so that you will be the first to get my video when I post them. And I'm going to tell you there are opportunities here, and people don't seem to see it, and but I'm going to open your eyes to it and make you see how to harness all these opportunities in Dubai. Now do well to subscribe to this channel and click the notification button. Then do comment if you have any question or inquiry or opinion about any video I post here. The first one is for you to go and sign up on LinkedIn. Register on LinkedIn, upload your resumes there, upload your CV there. Those experiences you have gathered that you cannot even put in the hard copy of your CV, you can always put them on your LinkedIn account. And when you put them there, then you have the chance of expressing and showing what you have to offer to the employers. And most of the times, your hard copy CVs get to the employers and they don't even check them, they just put them under the carpet. But on your LinkedIn, it's always there for people to see. As a matter of fact, some of these employers, they don't go advertise vacancies, they just go in the background to LinkedIn to check out for people who already possess the required expertise, experience, and knowledge and qualifications of what they want in their organization. They just go there and just choose and just pick. As a matter of fact, many people don't even apply for jobs. They just get job in the UAE. That is how it works. All these organizations, they go and do their background check on people who have the experiences, the qualifications they need on LinkedIn. They just contact them. You have your details there already, so they just contact them. Some of the recruiters, that's what they do. They will not post the advertisement, they will just go to LinkedIn and look at people who already have those qualities, then they just pick them. So it's the best thing for you, the first thing for you to do is just to make sure you sign up for a LinkedIn account, or if you have one, make sure it's updated. Update your LinkedIn account, and with this you stand a better chance of getting a good job in the UAE. That is number one. And number two is there are some job boards that the recruiters, the employers, the recruiting companies, they contact them and they post their jobs there. So all these things, they are online. So you go there, I will list and I will drop the list of these job boards in the description below. Go there, check them, click the link and go and search them. There you can, even while you are still in your country or whether you are in the UAE already, you can drop your CVs there and they will just check it there. And when you, it's not that you are even applying for that particular job, when you drop your CV on that job board, then it is there. Then the system just match your CV to any vacancies that come up that matches your CV. Then they just send a mail to you for you to check on them. And some of them, they just check naturally and they just get back to you. And so with this one, you can easily get job in the UAE. And I'm going to drop a link in the description below so that you check all these job boards and can now apply there, submit your CVs there. And please, if you are new to this channel or if you have not subscribed, please do kindly subscribe to this channel and click the notification button so that you will be the first to get the videos as I drop them. And please do comment on the section below if you have any question, if you need any help, if you have any inquiry to make about all this topic that's been treated. Please drop them in the comment below, then I tell you, I show you, I am going to get back to you and respond to your questions. And another thing that you need to do to get job in the UAE is when you do a walk-in application. A walk-in application is when you just walk into an office or an organization, just drop your CV and of course they'll get it. If they are not recruiting, if they are not recruiting at the present moment, then they will get back to you when there is an opening in the organization. And some of these organizations, what they do is they conduct a walk-in interviews for people. They have their requirement, they have their needed requirement actually, but they just give an open interview to people who just walk in there. You don't have to be invited to attend interview. People just walk in there, then get interviewed, and of course if the interviewer or the recruiter they see you matching their needed requirement, of course that gives you a better chance. So that means that for you to do that, you have to be on ground in the UAE. You have to be on ground in the UAE so that you can walk into organizations for interviews or an appointment with the recruiters, or go into the general working interviews. And the opportunity you have with this is that you can meet people one-on-one, you can meet people there, you can meet different people who are job seekers too, that give you idea about the chances or the opportunities in any other places or the other working interviews. This give you the chance to really explore that. Please don't forget, kindly subscribe to this channel and click the notification button. And if you have any questions or inquiry, please join my WhatsApp group. The link is the description below. Throw your questions there, then I will be here to answer any of your questions or guide you any way to go. Now I'll see you guys later. Please stay in an overflowing wealth.